In this video, I'm going to show you how to self-remediate a failing policy using Fleet Desktop. So if Fleet finds that my device is out of compliance with one or more policies that we have configured in Fleet, it's going to show me a red icon here in the menu bar. So if I hit my device, and then I navigate to Policies in Fleet UI, and then it shows me that I'm failing this one here, which is no 1Password recovery kits stored for macOS. And so to resolve this, it's telling me to delete 1Password emergency kits from my computer and empty the trash. So let's go and do that. So trash it, empty it. And I'm going to press refetch. Now this may take a moment or two to complete. And there we go. Green ticks all the way. My computer's now compliant. Then we can check up here. And it's now telling me that there's no errors as well on Fleet Desktop. Thanks for watching.